Rivian is set to outshine Tesla in 2024. Here's why. The electric vehicle market is heating up, and two names are making headlines: Rivian and Tesla. Who will dominate the future? Buckle up, because today we're diving deep into the battle between Rivian and Tesla. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. First, let's get to know our contenders. Tesla, founded by Elon Musk, is the trailblazer in the EV market. Known for its sleek designs, innovative technology, and ambitious goals, Tesla has set the standard for electric vehicles. From the Model S, which redefined luxury electric sedans, to the affordable Model 3, Tesla has been at the forefront of the EV revolution. On the other hand, Rivian, led by RJ Scaringe, is the new kid on the block but is quickly making a name for itself. Rivian focuses on adventure and utility with its R1T truck and R1S SUV, aiming to combine rugged capability with electric efficiency. Technology and innovation are where the real battle begins. Tesla has been a pioneer with its autopilot and full self-driving capabilities, advanced battery technology, and a massive supercharger network. Autopilot and full self-driving are game changers, offering drivers a taste of the future with semi-autonomous driving. Tesla's batteries also boast impressive range and efficiency, with the Model S Plaid hitting over 390 miles on a single charge. Rivian is no slouch either. Their vehicles feature a unique quad-motor system, giving each wheel its own motor for exceptional off-road performance. Rivian's batteries offer over 300 miles of range, and they've introduced innovative features like the gear tunnel and camp kitchen, making their vehicles perfect for adventure enthusiasts. Let's talk strategy and production. Tesla has a global presence with gigafactories in the US, China, and Germany, aiming to produce millions of vehicles annually. Their strategy focuses on scalability and mass market appeal. Tesla's gigafactories are designed for high-volume production, crucial for meeting global demand. Their ability to scale quickly has been a key factor in their success. Rivian is taking a different approach. They've secured significant investments and partnerships, notably with Amazon, which ordered 100,000 electric delivery vans. Rivian's strategy is to carve out a niche in the adventure and commercial markets while steadily ramping up production. With a focus on quality and unique market segments, Rivian aims to build a loyal customer base while expanding its production capabilities. Financial health and future prospects are crucial in this showdown. Tesla's market cap has soared, making it one of the most valuable automakers in the world. Their profitability and continuous innovation keep investors excited. Tesla's stock performance has been a roller coaster, but overall, it's on an upward trajectory. Elon Musk's vision and leadership play a significant role in driving the company's future. Rivian went public recently and, despite the typical volatility of a new stock, has shown promise. With substantial backing from investors and strategic partnerships, Rivian's financial outlook is optimistic. Their focus on electric trucks and SUVs taps into a growing market segment. Both companies are committed to sustainability, but how do they stack up? Tesla's mission is to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Their solar roof and Powerwall products complement their EVs, creating a holistic approach to green energy. Tesla's vision extends beyond vehicles, aiming to create an entire ecosystem of sustainable energy solutions. This integrated approach is a major strength. Rivian is equally dedicated to sustainability, focusing on minimizing environmental impact. They've pledged to make their entire supply chain carbon neutral and are involved in numerous conservation projects. Rivian's commitment to the environment is reflected in their vehicles and corporate practices, making sustainability a core part of their identity. Customer experience and brand loyalty are key battlegrounds. Tesla has built a passionate fan base, with an enthusiastic community and strong brand identity. Their direct-to-consumer sales model and over-the-air updates keep customers engaged. Tesla's approach to customer service and community engagement has fostered a dedicated following. Their continuous innovation keeps the brand exciting and relevant. Rivian is building its own loyal community, focusing on adventure and lifestyle. Their customer-centric approach and unique product features resonate with outdoor enthusiasts and eco-conscious consumers. By creating a strong sense of community and focusing on customer satisfaction, Rivian is quickly building a dedicated fan base. So, who will win the future, Rivian or Tesla? The answer isn't simple. Tesla has the advantage of being a pioneer with established infrastructure and a broad product range. Rivian, however, is making waves with its innovative approach and strategic partnerships. The future of electric vehicles is bright, with both Rivian and Tesla driving the industry forward. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or an eco-warrior, there's something exciting on the horizon. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of Rivian versus Tesla. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights and updates. See you in the next video.